Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of mine. So today's video is going to be about what's new at ULTA part 2. So this is going to be part of the holiday what's new at ULTA. So every year I do this video, and yeah, most of the kits are kind of like trickling a little bit, so some of them are still incomplete in the play now. So if you guys want to know what's new, then please keep on watching. So let's start this video by looking at Pure Cosmetics. So they have this little Grinch palette right over here. This box is so ginormous that I don't know if you guys are going to like that, but I really love the fact that you can definitely repurpose the box. And the middle lipstick is more of like a magic lipstick, similar to the frog lipstick, like the lipstick queen. And then here you have a liner set, so 4 different liquid liners, different colors, and this is it, $28. You can, you know, separate them and put them in a stocking. And then the palette, by the way, is $42. And you have this, I would call it like a sampler mask kit. It says beware of perfection, so you have something for hydration, brightening, you know, good stuff. And then they have this color changing mask that if you actually apply it on your face and if you rub fast enough, it will turn into more of like a salmony color, and it's cooling. I actually tried it on my hand and it has like a brightening effect after you wash it out. Moving on to Cielo, you have this liquid lipstick set. And most of them are pretty affordable. Most of the Christmas holiday gift set is below $60. Now, this is definitely one of the things that I am eyeing, but I honestly don't like the metallic liquid eyeshadow. I wish these are all the glitter ones, but Sephora had them last year, so I'm pretty sure they changed it up a little bit. And then you have this liner and mascara set. I haven't tried any mascara from their line. I heard the liner is pretty good. It's definitely one of the best. And you have another liquid lipstick right over here. I believe that's only $20. Don't clock me on that because I might, you know, I could have forgotten the prices. I'm stuttering. I'm sorry. So this is another like glitter ones. And then this is probably what I'm going to buy. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw this, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is me. It's so beautiful, perfect for traveling. The only thing that I don't like when it comes to like transparent travel cases is that when it has like a scratch, you can't barely like clean it, you can't fix it, you know what I mean? So, this is also so pretty. Oh my gosh. So I'm definitely looking forward to get one of these. For sure, because this really, you know, if you know me personally, you'll know that this is something that I would really, really love. I just love the pink, the rose gold effect, and something that's sparkly, I would really take it. I love it. Now, moving on, I haven't shown you guys this last time, Urban Decay 2 eyeshadow primers for $28, and you have more stuff right over here. I think most of these are such good deals, and they also have the very giant setting spray. I don't know if you guys are gonna like that, but it's perfect for makeup artists. Now moving on to Benefit. Now, did you guys remember it was, I believe that was like last year, that most of the holiday kits were recalled because one person ruined it for everybody? It's supposed to be for brows. It's because of the Gimme Brow. Somebody used it on their lashes and she got a little infection or something like that. So yeah, I wish, you know, but I was lucky enough because before they put that out, I was actually able to buy one. So it looks like the packaging before looks like a PR box, and now it's like this. I feel like this is more compact and more, in my opinion, this is something that you can repurpose unlike the last year one. So yeah. So if you guys do not know, even though ULTA carries like the same brand, every ULTA is different. So they may get some products, they may not have it in the store just so because it doesn't fit, or I don't know. But anywho, this is from Lipstick Queen. It's a lip palette. I haven't seen it anywhere, so when I saw this, I was actually surprised that they have something for like a limited edition one. I think this is pretty cool. However, the lipsticks are not really that pigmented in my opinion, but it's so cute. I like that idea. And they have some sets right over here, like a lip trio, like a liner, and then you have the liquid lipstick. And then most of these are pretty affordable actually. And then you have these little mini lip trios too. I feel like every year something has been like, most of the kits are quite similar now in my opinion. So they have a lot of kits right over here. If you have not tried Lipstick Queen, I think this is the best time to try them out if you're interested. You know what? I wish they could have made a set of like the color changing ones. I think that would be more interesting in my unpopular opinion. And then moving on. So I went to Cover FX and I saw this little kit right over here. It's an eyeshadow. I'm not certain if they are going to put out more limited edition stuff for the holiday, but so far this is all I have ever seen. So whatever is missing in this video, I will definitely let you guys know in the future if they have came out with something new or not. Now let's hop on to another brand. Here we have Julep. I've never tried any of their products. Their kits are pretty affordable in my opinion. I've never tried anything from them. If you have tried, let me know in the comment box down below. What are your favorite products from their brand? Because I'm kind of like interested. But they came out with this palette right over here. It's actually pretty similar to the Naked Smoked in my opinion. So just a little colors that are different, but it's very similar to it. So it has a brush and a liner. In my opinion, okay, I might get hate on this, but in my opinion, this is a missed opportunity. Because they have, you know, you could have at least came out with a palette that has a lot of interesting colors, because this is something that we have already seen before. Do you agree with me? We've seen this before already, and I feel like this is going to be a little struggle to sell, especially when the first Naked palette is half off right now, and everybody's just trying to get rid of that palette before it gets discontinued. But anywho, we have a lip kit right over here, and this is kind of pretty interesting. So you have like 3 types of lip products in one kit for only $29. It's like you paid 10 bucks for each lip product, and the colors are pretty nice too. And they have also came out with a lip gloss duo, so it's perfect for me because I really have crusty ass lips. Now let's move on to MAC. Most of their products are not here yet, but the display is here, but they just don't want to put it out yet. So MAC is going to come out with eyeshadow palettes. Here they are. And they are also going to come out with a bronzer contour highlight palette, which I'm kind of very interested about. Some brush sets, and of course the mini lipsticks and some liquid lipsticks this year. And I'm pretty excited. I actually love the packaging. When I first saw it on Trend Mood's page, I'm like, it's okay. But when I saw them in person, I'm like, wow. But you know, in my opinion, the limited edition collection was better last year. Moving on to the next brand, here we have Beauty by POPSUGAR. I have not tried any of their products yet. I don't know why, but I don't know the target market for this line, but I don't know. It's not making me interested. Am I the only one? Let me know. Because I think they have cool products, but I don't know why it never came across my mind to buy it. Now we have the NARS mini lip kits right over here. I think I'm definitely gonna buy this because of the packaging, but you'll be surprised on how affordable this kit is. And they have another one which hasn't arrived yet, and that's just $24, which is so cute. The packaging is so cute. I'm definitely gonna get one. And then they have this blush palette right over here for $42. Ooh, look at the packaging. The packaging is getting me, guys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. But $42 is a little too much for me, okay? Blushes are definitely one of the things that I don't really buy. And that lipstick kit has been around for forever. And then we have Lancome. Now, I did not expect this. I badly want to swatch them. However, they don't have a tester because they only received 3 palettes. I believe this is $49 or $42, something like that. So this one, I've already seen all of the colors before, but I feel like, I don't know why I'm interested. I feel like it's so pretty. I wish it has a mirror though. But honestly, I can see the reason why it doesn't have any mirror. The whole packaging is made out of cardboard and the frame is plastic. So I was thinking that, you know what, to make everything more affordable, they're gonna, you know, put the original formula in the pan so people can try it out and, you know, go less on the packaging. So that, I feel like I'm gonna it's okay to get away with it. What's important is like the quality of the eyeshadow. So yeah. And now moving on to Anasazi Beverly Hills. They do have a glitter adhesive now for $18 and loose pigments for $15. And they have a lip gloss set for $25. You will be getting 4 mini lip glosses. Most of them look like dazzle shadows. I'm sorry, dazzle glasses. And then they have a 3 liquid lipstick set, 3 items like mini liquid lipsticks for $25. This is what they look like. Now, I feel like I prefer the ones, the sparkly lip glosses ones. Now, let me know on a comment box down below, what do you think of the Anastasia holiday collection, okay? Because to me, I felt like, I mean, it's okay. Even like the palette, let's go to the palette so you guys can see. Now, the sultry palette, I think the packaging is just so beautiful. You guys know that I love sparkly things. And they also have a hydrating oil now for the face, perfect for dry skin. And this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. So to me, it's perfect for every day. And it's gonna be up to your personal preference whether you want to buy it or not, but I haven't tried it, so I don't know if I'm gonna get it, but the colors are beautiful. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're still not part of the Sassy family, go ahead and subscribe. I upload almost every day. I know now it's just been like a whirlwind because I've decided to take a little break because my family visited me. So please subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!